Alright, if you followed from my YouTube short, this is the long version video of using the Clipper Cradle by Bonika Shears out of Loganville, Georgia. The designer is a guy named John Waterhouse, and I'll put the link to their website in the description. I paid $30 for it plus shipping, $7.28, so it was $37.28, and it got here in 2 days. So far, it looks pretty good. I think this is going to help me. I have arthritis in my hands really bad, and I have a hard time assembling these clipper blades after sharpening. And I have been using a jig from a guy, Tracy Marks in from Ardmore, Oklahoma, and it works really well. And it has saved me for the last couple of years doing clipper blades. But I thought I would give this a try, and this is how it works. It's got a little jig here, and it's pretty heavy. I really like that. It's going to sit really well on my bench, and it's going to take me a while to learn to use it fast. But you just take your spring and your drive there and put it in there, and it fits in there really well. Then you take your blade, cut the cutter, put it in there. Then you take your comb, and you can see I'm not very good at talking through these videos, but if you're a sharpener, you know what I'm talking about. And you take your screws, put them in there. I just got this today, so it's going to take me a while to figure out how to do it well. And I don't use electric screwdriver. I probably should. But look at that. It even lined up really well. Maybe off on one side a little bit. But I'll tell you what, for 30 bucks, you can't go wrong with it. Whoop. See, my hands are so weak. And so it's not perfectly aligned, but at least I got it all together fairly quickly for the first time. So let's try this again. So you drop that in there. Look at that. And it's at a slant, so it just slides right into place. The alignment is perfect on all the holes. And you take your blade or your cutter, put it in there, and it fits in there perfect. Look at that. Then you line up your holes on your comb. Put the screw in there. This is the number 10 blade. Man, I tell you what. So far, I like this. Now, this is just one of my blades, loaner blades. So, I don't have any blades to do this morning as of yet. But I tell you what. This thing works pretty cool. So far, so good. Look at that. Clipper Cradle. I bought it from Bonika Shears, Loganville, Georgia. If you're a sharpener, you know who Bonnie is. Everybody knows Bonnie. They have the sharpener jam. John Waterhouse is the designer of this, the engineer. And for 30 bucks, man, you can't go wrong. So I'm going to use it on some clipper blades when I get in this afternoon. I got some coming in, and it'll take me a little while to get it, using it really well and getting everything lined up like anything else. But anyway, there's my first impression of this device, and I think it works really well. So there you go, folks. Have a great day.